I'm aware in mid-March you also met the Chinese foreign minister.
Yeah.
Among other things, you also voiced some of New Zealand's concerns about China's human rights in Hong Kong, Xinjiang and Tibet, and tensions in the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. Do you think New Zealand will gain a more authoritative voice when speaking about human rights if it returns New Zealand's citizenship to Samoans, Hon Vaovasamanaia?
Well, you made an interesting connection there.
Yeah.
In this world, it's often easy to do so-called justice or follow the law. I'll tell you the hardest thing to do sometimes, but the right thing to do is the right thing. We want to do what is right here, and I hope to persuade the members of government on this matter as well, all parties. Let's do the right thing here. We can't fix the past, and that's why we've got a fatal sort of political cocoon we're in now, where everybody's saying we can fix the past, we can fix up the faults of our ancestors. No, we can't. But what we can do is learn from it and make sure going forward we fix things up properly. So, yes, I think New Zealand is stepping up and playing its real role.
Yeah.
Because whatever you might think about New Zealand, all its failures, we know more about the Pacific as a first world country than any other country does. That's a fact. That's not a boast, it's a fact.
Yeah.